Okay, this section of problems is over adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, there are no mixed numbers. Okay, and they all have the same denominator. Okay, so the trick is when you add or subtract fractions that are just regular fractions and they have the same denominator. Remember, the denominator is the bottom number. Okay, you just add or subtract the top numbers. Okay, those are called numerators. Add or subtract the top numbers. Keep the bottom number the same, and then just make sure your answer is simplified. Okay, so problem one, if I want to add 2/5 plus 1/5, okay, since my denominators are the same, my bottom numbers are the same, I'm just going to keep it. Keep the 5, and then I'm going to add my 2 and 1 together to get 3. Okay, now I do need to make sure that this is reduced. Okay, that there is no number that will divide into 3 and 5. Okay, 1 divides into 3 and 5, but that doesn't help because you can't reduce it. Okay, so 3/5 is the answer. Okay, problem 2, 11/12 minus 1/12. Okay, the denominators are the same, the 12, so leave it alone. All you need to do is take 11 minus 1 to figure out the top. 11 minus 1 is 10. Okay, so the answer is 10/12. Okay, now we do need to make sure it is simplified. 2 will divide evenly into 10 and 12. So we need to divide the top and the bottom by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so 5/6 would be your final answer for that problem. Okay, so we add or subtract the tops. We keep the denominator the same. Okay, and then we reduce if we have to. Okay, why don't you guys pause the video and try 3 and 4 on your own, and then unpause the video and you can check them. Okay, problem 3 is 3/8 plus 1/8. Okay, keep the 8 the same. Add the 3 and the 1 together. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so we get 4/8. Okay, now we can reduce that answer because 4 divides into 4 and 8 evenly. Okay, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, so the final answer of that would be 1/2. Okay, the last problem, 9/4 minus 1/4. Okay, all you need to do is keep the 4 the same, and then figure out 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 for the top. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, now you get 8 divided by 4. Okay, that can be reduced. 4 goes into both 8 and 4 evenly. So divide 8 by 4, you get 2. Divide 4 by 4, you get 1. Okay, now 2 over 1 is correct, but it can be simplified even more. Okay, think about 2 over 1. Top number's bigger, right? If the top number's bigger, you could think division. 2 over 1 is 2 divided by 1. Okay, and 2 divided by 1 is 2. Okay, so 2 would be your final answer for that. Okay, guys, when you're on Khan Academy, your lesson, please let me know if you have troubles. Don't be afraid to use the hints, but if the hints aren't helping you, please let me know and I'll help.